Okay, okay.
Like this corresponds to y-axis, right? Not y-axis, you can say. This is data labels. These values are data labels. And category labels are there. This one, okay. When you will increase the size of it, here you can see this. These are actually the category labels. But actually in category labels, those alignment option is not there.
Okay, ma'am. And one more question I have that can we create a table in Power BI? Like in Tableau, we can
Yes.
create a table,
Tomorrow
right?
I will tell you how to create a table and how
Okay,
to export it into CSV file. That too I will tell you.
okay, okay. Thank you.
Okay, welcome. And table is one of the important thing in Power BI because whenever you are extracting some data from a website, then if you need to convert it into an Excel sheet or CSV file, then table is used for that. Okay, so this is regarding funnel chart. Okay, it's just like a funnel. Okay, like highest value is at the top and lowest value is at the bottom, just like a funnel it is acting, right? And there are much more charts like line chart, area chart. You try all of them, okay, one by one. Now I will tell you about the this map, okay. So in this map, see our location is there. It is somewhat related to map, right? When I will put the location over here, and this location I will put over here, then in different colors, different location will be shown. Okay, you can see different location is shown by different colors, and here the locations are also mentioned. Okay. So if you want to understand that which particular location is having highest rating, that should be shown in the graph. So in that case, take the rating and put it in the bubble size. Okay. Now you can see that now it is showing some bubbles are small in size, some are large in size, right? So it is actually showing you the number of the amount of rating it is having. But still now there is a problem. It is sum. Sum is taken. So take the average. That would be better. Okay. So it is showing you like this. Right. In case of map also many formatting options are there. Like in map setting, you can change the style of it. Like if you are making it aerial, you can see the change in the graph. Okay. Yeah. This is how it is appearing. In case of dark, it will take a few time. Yeah. And in case of light, yeah. So this is how we can alter the, map. And there are zoom buttons also, if you want to zoom it. Okay. So in that case, zoom buttons will come over here. You can see like to zoom it and zoom out. Right. So you can try them one by one. This is legend. Legend is already on. And when you will put categorical labels on, okay, then it will show you the exact location also. Okay. And one more thing. Okay. If you want to make a pie chart out of it, in that case, what you should require is instead of putting the legend in location, you close it. Okay. Right. And put any other variable, like I'm taking this type and I'm putting it in legend. Now pie chart will appear over here. You can see the pie chart, right? So in different location, what is the type corresponding to that pie chart it is showing. Okay, so this is how you can put some pie chart in the map. Okay, and now moving on to the fill chart. Fill map. This is the fill map option. For that, I will take a new data set, the previous one, the previous data set itself. That is our Indian states and districts. Okay. Now just clean it. So in order to do that, transform the data set. Okay, just let us clean this data set, remove, and now here actually different states are there, right? Different state and union territories are there. So using this, actually you can fill that particular state and districts with different colors. The state and union territories with different colors. Okay. My laptop is very slow. That's why it's taking too much time. Okay. So this is our map. Okay. Field map. Now what I will do is that in it, I will take the state and location. Okay. And the same state in legend. So with the help of state in legend, it will show the state in different colors. Okay. Now you can see different states are shown in different colors. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Wait a second, yes. So guys, these are some of the basic charts and graphs. Okay, I hope it is clear to all of you. Is it okay, everyone? Shall I wind up the meeting? Tomorrow I will tell you rest of the things like that image and text box and those things are remaining that I will tell you tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow or day after tomorrow, possible. Right now we are running out of time. It's going to be 3 o'clock. Is it okay, everyone? Should I explain the text box and all? If you want, I can do that.
Ma'am, please share
Sure,
that
ma'am.
Zomato file in the group.
Yeah, sure. Okay. So in this text box, you can put some insights. Okay. Text. I will tell you how I have done it. One second, I will tell you. Okay. See. First of all, remove it. Okay. Now this is the text box. Okay. When you will go to insert there also, you will find the text box. When you will choose this text box, it is appearing like this. Okay. Now, in this case, you can alter the size of the writings also. Okay. Simply just like Microsoft Office, I'm taking 20 as the size, and I can put something like VTM is having the highest number of restaurants. Okay. Okay. So it is a posh area or something like that we can say. Okay. So whatever insights we are getting out of the analysis, we have to put it in the text box like this. Or we can put some title also for the dashboard with the help of text box. That is the use of text box. Okay. So next thing is buttons. Okay. So I will take a blank button. Okay. And I will use it for the page navigation. So for that, I'm taking this button, go to shape, and in shape, by default, it is rectangular in shape. If you want to change the shape, you can take this in any shape that you like. Okay. Like I am taking this octagon shape. Okay. And if you want, right now it is having sharp corners. If you want rounded corners, you can increase this. You can alter it like this. Okay. So I will take the sharp corner itself. Okay. And here you can rotate it too. Just like we have rotated the pie chart and all. Okay. You can rotate it also. Okay. Now, the next important thing is style. Here you can give the text inside it. So I will write some text like page 1. Okay. Page 1. I can increase the size of this thing by simply altering the font size. Okay. and I can make it bold. I can change the color of it, right? Those things I can do. And also in case of in it, I can put some colors also. Okay, like using fill, I can put some colors like any gray color I will take. Okay, and I can put some shadow, some glow, whatever is required, I can do that. Okay. Now, since it is I have used it for the page navigation. So in action, I will make the action on, and there I will choose the type as page navigation. Like whenever I am choosing this button, it should move to a particular page. They are asking which destination is required. So I will choose page 1. Okay. Now I will make multiple copies of it so that I can navigate to different pages. Okay. It is actually excess. We can delete it. Okay, only 6 pages are there. This is the 7th one, right? So this page one is okay. Now regarding this one, I will go to style and I will alter the text name as well as I will change the action. That I will change the destination of it. Okay, page 2. The similar way, this one also I will alter it. I will change it as page 3 and I will go to the style and I will change the name of it as page 3. And here, corresponding to this one also, let us change it to page 4. Okay. And in the destination, we will take page 4. And there, destination page 5. And here in style, page 5. And here in style, page 6. And in destination, page 6. Is it clear, all of you? I have how I have altered it. It is very simple, right? Multiple times I have
Yes,
altered it. Yes. Now, what you are supposed to do is when you will click over this particular thing, it should move to page 1, but it is not going to page 1. The reason is that I have to click control in the keyboard. Then when I am choosing this page 1, now it is moving to page 1. Okay. And then similarly, I am pressing this control button and I am choosing this page 2. Now it is moving to page 2. Okay. Similarly, control button page 3, it is moving to page 3. Okay. Control button page 6, it is moving to page 6. Is it clear to all of you how to do page navigation?
Yes, ma'am.
yes.
Okay. Now let us take an image.
There is a, ma'am,
Yes. What is
if
your
there
doubt?
is any option to directly click that without control button?
Control button is required. Or there is one more thing I will tell you. See in the button itself. Okay. When you will go to the main page. Okay. Okay, sorry for that. Remove. Okay, here you can take the button. There is an option called Navigator and Page Navigator. Now all the pages will appear over here. This is the shortcut for it. Okay, when you will choose this page 2, it is not moving to page 2. When you will press Control and choose page 2, now it is moving to page 2. So there are two ways. Either you can make different shapes, but if you like buttons of different shapes and size and you are not comfortable with this particular thing, you can simply make your own buttons. Okay, let us check whether there is an option to alter it or not. Maybe there is an option. Okay. So there, I'm not able to alter it. So when you want buttons of different shapes like this, you can go with this buttons and you can take it. Otherwise, if you're okay with the simple page navigator, you can choose it like this. Okay. When I'm choosing control and pressing this page 6, it is moving to page 6. Is it clear, all of you? What is the shortcut and what is the long way?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So now let us move to some particular web page also. Okay, for that I will take an image, Zomato image I am taking. Okay. This image has appeared now. In this image, I'm putting the action on, and here I want to choose some web URL. And when I'm pressing this particular button, it should move to a particular web URL. Okay, for that, let us take Zomato. Zomato.com. Okay. Now let us choose this one, Control C. I have taken that, but I have copied that particular web URL. Now I will paste it over here. Okay. Now everything is okay. Now when I'm clicking, it's not moving to that web page. What is the reason, all of you? The same reason as in case of button. Control, correct. Control, then click on the Zomato. It is moving to that particular page. Is it clear to all of you how to move to a particular web page with the help of an image? Or in case of button also, you can do the same. There also you can use this web URL action. It is clear, I hope, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, clear.
Okay, so I'm going to close this meeting. We'll meet tomorrow. Okay, thank you so much.